If you're just getting into woodworking, you'll be hearing all about routers, not the type we all rely on for Wi-Fi, but instead, the kind that's a handheld power tool used for shaping. A router is a motor that's attached to an adjustable base, with a collet that accepts a variety of cutting bits. These router bits come in an endless variety of shapes, which is part of what makes the router so useful. There are bits for molding edges in all sorts of ways, so you can design picture frames, shiplap, wainscoting, or your own window trim. Other bits make doors, shutters, lettering, dished-out trays, or keyholes for hanging pictures. Since a router is used in so many ways, one size does not fit all. In fact, most woodworkers, contractors, and dealers own more than one. For starters, are you shopping for your very first router or adding to your collection? The second question: what do you plan to do with this tool? There are many products available to choose cheap wood router, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cheap wood router from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bosch 1617 EVSPK Wood Router Combo Kit. There's no need to choose between a wood router with a fixed base or plunge base, or between a router with a 1/4 inch collet chuck or a 1/2 inch collet chuck, when you can simply purchase the Bosch 1617 EVSPK Wood Router Combo Kit and get all of the above. But that isn't where the features of our top choice stop. There are quite a few other things to love about this wood router. Sturdy construction is just one of the things we like about this tool. Built of strong aluminum with easy to grasp, sturdy wood handles on the fixed base and soft grip handles on the plunge base, this is a carpenter must-have that will stand up to project after project. Its 12 amp 2 horsepower motor isn't the most powerful you'll find, but it's more than adequate for the majority of DE projects you are likely to undertake, and you'll appreciate the adjustable speed dial with settings from 8,000 to 25,000 RPM. The router's constant response circuitry starts the tool up smooth and easy, and then maintains constant speed while you work for extra control when making difficult or fine cuts. Plus, the depth indicator and bit height adjustment system are easy to see and adjust, helping you fine-tune your work. Number 2. Skil RT132200 Variable Speed Combo Router. A good wood router can be expensive, but that doesn't mean there aren't bargains to be found that offer high performance at a reasonable price. The Skil RT132200 is one such tool. This tool has a 14 amp 2.5 horsepower motor, includes both a plunge base and fixed base, and comes with both 1/4 inch and a 1/2 inch collet chucks. It even has an LCD display that determines the optimal speed setting for you, after you enter the material being cut, its diameter, and the base you are using, and then shows you the speed level as you work. The variable speed ranges from 10,000 to 25,000 RPM. Like many more expensive routers, this one has soft start for better control, and electronic feedback that helps keep the speed steady while you work. Plus, it has 3 incorporated LED lights to illuminate the bit area, 3 core settings for depth, plus micro depth adjustment for fine tuning, and even a safety light that turns on when the tool is connected to a power source. Number 3. DEWALT DCW600B Cordless Compact Router. Cut the cord but keep the power with DEWALT's DCW600B Cordless Compact Router. Compact routers, also called palm routers, are a bit smaller than the usual router, making them ideal for situations where you need to carry the tool to your work, rather than cutting on a tabletop. This 6-base router runs off any DEWALT 20-volt battery, or install the DEWALT 60-volt flexible battery, for up to 8 times the run length from the 1.5 horsepower motor. Note that the tool does not include the battery, however, you'll need to purchase that separately if you don't already own one. This sturdy router has a brushless motor with soft start performance that helps keep your cuts precise and accurate. The variable speed motor adjusts from 16,000 to 25,500 RPM, and a depth adjustment ring makes it easy to set the height of the bit. It has a 1/4 inch collet chuck, so it is a great choice for detailed or lightweight to moderate jobs, but not the right tool for heavy-duty projects. 2 LED built-in lights help you visualize your cuts as you work. Number 4. RIDGID R22002 11 amp fixed base router. Cut through even hardwood with ease using the RIDGID R22002 fixed base router. It has an 11 amp 2 horsepower motor with a soft start for perfect control from start to finish, whatever your project. The 1/2 inch collet chuck can handle heavy-duty bits, and the spindle lock makes it a breeze to change bits when desired. The micro-depth adjustment system lets you pinpoint just how deep you want your cuts to go, keeping your work as precise as possible. The body of the tool is magnesium, and it has soft handles that minimize vibration, while keeping your grip steady. The variable speed motor can go as fast as 23,000, so you can adjust as needed based on the material you are cutting and the precision required for your task. This is an excellent addition to the workshop of any carpenter or woodworker, whether professional or enthusiastic hobbyist. Number 5. Bosch MRP23 EVS 15 amp electronic plunge-base router. If your carpentry projects involve a lot of grooves or other cuts that rely on carefully calculated cutting depths, a plunge-base router is the best choice for you. And the Bosch MRP23 EVS electronic router is tops among the many available choices. This 15 amp 2.3 horsepower router has plenty of power and durable construction that tackles woodworking projects with ease. You'll appreciate the smooth plunge action that makes it easy to accurately position the bit, as well as the microfine depth adjustment, as well as Bosch's constant response circuitry that maintains an even speed throughout the cut. The router includes both a 1/4 inch and a 1/2 inch cola chuck, so you can choose which best suits your project. The variable speed settings stretch from 10,000 to 25,000 RPM. A built-in always-on LED light illuminates the bit so you can easily see what you are cutting. The tool has a soft start reduced torque start to help keep your cuts as accurate as possible. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.